And then when you're ready, we'll slowly return to the breath. And once again, just ask yourself, what is the breath trying to reveal? And we don't really need an answer. It's mostly the listening part that I'm here to tell you as your friend. That's the money part. Just giving your Let's take one more quiet moment here with ourselves.